I brought also this coffee machine, which I bought in Switzerland. So actually, the machine in itself is not so interesting, but this lovely coffee you can get from it. Are you filming sugar?
Yes.
So then I'll only take 2.
Skål.